Today we will learn how CedCommerce's HubSpot Integration, a powerful tool to assist you with the seamless marketing automation process and enhance the capabilities of your e-commerce business works. In this video, we will learn how simple and easy it is to install the HubSpot integration by CedCommerce. So let's learn how. Firstly, you have to log into your BigCommerce account. And for that, you have to search for the HubSpot CRM connector app. Click on this button here. Now, on the login page, you have to provide your login credentials. After logging into your BigCommerce account, the dashboard of it will appear like this. Then, by clicking on the install button here, you will see a confirmation window appear like this. Here, you will have to click on the confirm button to allow access to HubSpot CRM connector to your BigCommerce store. After this, a setup page opens like this, where you have to fill in all these details. Firstly, you need to enter the user details. After that, accept the terms and conditions by clicking here, and then click on the submit button. Then a confirmation window appears where you have to provide an OTP that will be sent to your registered phone number. Now to proceed, you have to click this button. Now in the next stage, you have to connect your HubSpot account with the HubSpot CRM connector app. For that, you have to click on this connect HubSpot account button here. As soon as you click, a window appears like this, which starts mapping HubSpot properties for your HubSpot account. Please note that it takes 3 to 5 minutes to map the HubSpot properties in case of large data. Now, in the final stage, you are given the option to enable sync all BigCommerce data to your HubSpot account or not. And then you simply need to click on the complete and submit button here. Now, all your data from the BigCommerce store will sync automatically to the HubSpot account. And in case any recently updated data is not synced, you have the option to sync the same manually. Now, the dashboard of the app appears and it looks like this. You can get all the relevant information such as total product count, order, customer count, etc. of your BigCommerce store from this dashboard. From this HubSpot section here, you can easily sync customer, product and order information. To sync customer information, you have to click on customer subsection, choose customer information and click on the sync selected customer button. And as soon as you do that, your customer information is successfully synced. You can follow the same procedure for order and product synchronization by clicking on their respective tabs here. From the import and upload subsection here, you can fetch data from the BigCommerce store and upload it to your HubSpot account. This action synchronizes product, customers, orders, and line item details. Next up, the HubSpot property sections over here. It lets you sync your BigCommerce data to HubSpot. Here, you can view all the settings. Custom group for viewing information or activities performed by merchants to create automated targeting campaigns. From the custom property, you can view property related to product, deals, contact, line items, and abundant carts. The purpose of Smart List option is to let you view the data of top customers segregated on the basis of who are the best and loyal ones, purchasing limits, etc. With the workflow subsection, you can view the automated marketing, sales, and service processes to make your team more efficient. And lastly, this log details section lets you view and use logs to get details of HubSpot errors and warnings that occurred during the data synchronization process. From the configuration section here, you can manage these settings. While the HubSpot configuration here provides you the option to reset recency, frequency, and monetary RFM settings to import old data or not, and so on. The HubSpot store lets you select and connect HubSpot with multiple HubSpot store accounts that you own. You can even add a new store by clicking on this option here. And lastly, the HubSpot Connect subsection lets you check the connection status of HubSpot account with your BigCommerce HubSpot integration. So this is the whole process of how you can install your HubSpot integration in BigCommerce. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for your time.